Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I've got a lot of interesting things I'll be trying out. I have this Korean kimchi that A-mart sent me, as well as this UHA milk tea. I believe that's the brand. It's really popular on their site. And why not eat a packet of Samyang ramen while I am at it? Now this is the kimchi flavor, and I thought, okay, it would be appropriate to eat the kimchi flavor with the kimchi. So let's just get straight into this. First I'm going to drink some of this milk tea before I suffer. What? It tastes so familiar, but I can't pinpoint what it is. I got it. Ooh, I know exactly what this tastes like. Marshmallow flavor, stary stumpy. Yes. Oh, I love that. This is good. So imagine a stary stumpy, but like in an iced tea form. It's very like thin and watery, but still milky. And let's try out this kimchi. I think it's around 50 or 60 rand on A-mart's site. There's a lot of other interesting things I want to try out with this. One of it being making Korean kimchi pancakes. Let me know if you want to see me make that. I've never made it before, but I thought that's an interesting thing. It smells like pickled onions. I like pickled onions. So this is what it looks like. Hope you can see that. Yes, the pieces of kimchi. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's try this before I eat it with the noodles. I'm excited. It really looks and smells like pickled onion. Why is it so spicy? Oh damn, I am gonna struggle today. Yeah, I don't think I'm, oh gosh. Yeah, it's spicy and the noodles are spicy. Yeah, but no, I can taste the fish sauce in here. It's a light fish sauce taste and it's really spicy. And it really tastes like pickled onions. And it has a bit of a crunch. It's a really nice piece. It looks like cabbage, because it is Korean cabbage. So now I'm going to add some of this kimchi just on top of this ramen. And here we go. This looks really tasty and also very extremely red hot. Spicy, will burn my intestines and give me ulcers. Let's take some noodles and kimchi. You know, maybe I built up a tolerance to these noodles, since I ate them before in the past, you know. Kimchi is very flavorful because it's been soaking in that sauce for a while. I think I did build up a tolerance, because look at me, I'm not suffering as much. Oh. Ooh. I can't even taste the milk tea. I can't taste anything. My taste buds are numb already. Oh goodness. Ooh, adding the kimchi in here actually gives it a really nice taste. It's like you can taste that slight fish sauce in this whole noodle mix. Ugh, I also have a glass of water. Yeah, my lips are now numb. Can't really taste the kimchi anymore. My taste buds are losing their sensation. But I can feel the crunch. And just get the pickly taste. I don't know how to describe it. Like, you know what I mean when I say a pickly taste? I can't feel my lips. Oh, damn. I'm really questioning my life. These noodles look absolutely gorgeous though. That is beautiful. Like, I can't get over the fact this tastes like a steri stampy though. You know, the first time I ate this, I didn't know what kimchi tasted like. So I couldn't tell whether these noodles tasted like kimchi or not. But now that I know what kimchi tastes like, I can tell you it really does taste like kimchi. Like, my lips are paining. They are paining. Oh, by the way, I also have a glass of Sprite. Yeah, my stomach is gonna be so upset after this video. This is actually lethal, if I had a word to describe this. A-mart, please don't ever send me the kimchi noodles. Great. It's so painful. I swear this is the last time I'm eating these noodles now. The kimchi flavor. But this specifically tastes like the marshmallow steri stampy though. Like, not any other flavor except the marshmallow steri stampy. Last bite. Last bite. Okay, let me just cool my mouth with this. This is just like soothing my intestines. Guys, I'm gonna end it here for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video.